Hi, my name is Matt Emo of Invent Thermal. Welcome to Raychem Connects, where we connect you to the product. Today we'll be talking about Raychem XMI heat tracing cables and how they are integrated into your heat management system. Behind me, I'm sure you can see the lighted end seal kit for SR. You guys are all familiar with this, but today we're going to be talking about Raychem MIJBs and the XMI heat tracing cable and how they are systemized and put together. As you can see here, you have the XMI heating cable. This is the heating cable portion, and then a cold lead. From the cold lead, we come up and we have a drip loop to ensure that there's any water on the cable, that it doesn't get transitioned into the MIJB junction box. There's a hub on the side for threading your heat tracing cable into it. This is a Type 4X box, so you want to make sure that you use Type 4X components on the outside and for any transition areas. This is also fiberglass construction, which is chemically and temperature resistive to be able to put inside of your industrial applications. An amazing quick release, so you can access inside of the box and be able to see exactly what's going on for any kind of troubleshooting issues. You can see these turtle blocks here where the XMI heating cable lands. It's easy to be able to go in and put a meter in here if we have any questions or any problems. And what you see here is this wonderful metal plate we get a lot of questions about. It's called an earthing plate, which is basically a bonding plate that allows you to be able to run a cable in, and instead of having to run a bonding cable from each one of these hub locations as required by code, you actually can use this bonding plate instead. This allows for faster installation and less time in the field for doing any kind of modifications. You can also go and bond all these cables together, and then you can run to the next box and continue on and only put one system ground instead of having to do a system ground in every single box, which is again a cost savings. Now, looking at closing up the box, this box, as you may have noticed, is CSA certified. Now, we have a variety of boxes that are CSA certified. We have three typical MIJBs that are. We have the MIJB-864-A, which is a smaller box, and as you saw before, has 4 terminal blocks, allowing you to do single phase, 2-pole, and 3-phase applications. We have a 1086A box, which is slightly larger, 8 inches by 6 inches. And then we have a 1086B box, which has a couple more terminations to allow you to do any kind of XMI configuration tracing terminations. Each one of those boxes is CSA certified for Class 1, Div 2, Zone 2, and T5 rated, 600 volts, 65 amps, and Type 4X, which we talked about earlier. Lastly, we want to look at the stands that you have here attaching the MIJB box to the pipe, and you can see that there is ample room for any kind of insulation that need to be installed on the pipe to help minimize extra heat tracing that is needed so that it becomes economical for you. Thank you for listening today. If you have any other questions, please contact your Invent Thermal rep. Thanks and have a great day.
Invent. We connect and protect.